Oh, that'll fit right there. Oh, gotta take it easy. Okay, now let's see if we can get them up without messing them up, okay?
Okay.
Get everything ready.
You got this. Hush. And a gingerbread man too?
Gingerbread man.
Oh, that smells cool. Just a red
Yeah, you throw some more out.
Bucky and Nick making Christmas cookies.
Yeah. Make a cookie.
Making cookies.
Yeah.
Okay, let's roll them out again. You want to take that side and help me roll it?
Yeah.
Hold here. Like this. Ready? Oh. It's hard, huh?
Yeah.
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Which one? Another bread man?
Yeah.
There you go. All the way down. Awesome. Now what? Yeah, you gotta make sure you don't cut into the other one, okay? So where do you want to put it? I'm try it right here.
Yeah.
Let me see. There you go. Push down. All the way down. All the way around it. Okay. And I think we have enough for a tree.
Another one for trees.
Let's do it this way. Oh, you'll
Yeah.
see it.
Oh, perfect.
Awesome.
Now let's cut it out. Bucky, let's cut it out.
Okay.
Okay, let's cut it out on by the tree.
This is fun.
Yeah, the woods.
Maybe later on after you come back from dinner you can have your little cookies.
Okay. They're yummy.
What are you doing today, Nick?
Nothing, just making cookies for Bucky.
Making cookies for Bucky?
Yeah, and let's make that one.
Okay, what do you want?
That one?
That one?
Yeah.
Did we get it all the way around the cookie? Is it in the dough?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I don't know if we got enough room for anything else.
About
Wait a minute, wait, let's see if we've got enough room. We gotta do it easy.
Okay.
Oh, we just do. Okay. Very good. Check it on there. Ready? Here.
Okay.
It's all getting all dried up in there. Okay, shake it on. Whoa, easy.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yummy.
Pick some of this up and go. Keep going. Look, got all that green right there. Just some more.
Yeah. Close this.
I'm going to put a little dot of icing,
Okay.
and you want brilliant. What color buttons you want for your gingerbread man? You need 3. Just 3. This many.
About this one.
Those.
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. They won't stay like that. Green.
Yeah. Green.
Okay.
And I'll put those on there.
Then we'll put them on there. I'm going to put. Okay, stick one right on top of that. Just one of them. Wait. Patience, kid. Okay. There you go. One more right there.
Oh.
Make them spook. to use white for his eyes?
No.
Just green?
Yeah.
Okay.
This green. This green. Any more?
Yeah, his eyes don't want to do so good, huh? Bucky's making a mess. So there's one. Tell Mommy, lift it up. Show Mommy.
Lift it up, Mommy.
Show me your cookie.
Show me cookie. Is that good?
I didn't get to see it before you took a big bite. I wanted to see your cookie. Let me see. What's it look like? Oh, wow.
Oh,
He's missing.
can I bite it? Oh, yummy.
Is that good stuff? Did we say you could eat that cookie? We
Now, Bucky,
did.
and tell Mama, look at Bucky's little snowflake that broke.
Looks so big, broke.
Wow, that's pretty.
It broke, Mommy.
Did you break it?
No,
No.
Bucky broke it.
Bucky broke it, Mommy.
Wow.
And that's it. Because now you need to have lunch.
You weren't supposed to take a bite of that cookie. You were just supposed to show me that cookie.
You gotta taste, Mama. You have to taste the cooking, right?
Was it good?
Yeah. There it goes.
Say cookies.
Cookies!
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah. Like this.
No, don't eat another one. You've gotten a lot already. Let me see your tongue.
Ah, Mommy!
Was it yummy? One more time. Ready?
Wait.
Is that funny? Okay, show Baki this time after I'm done. Stick your tongue out. Show Baki your tongue.
Oh, I
Too
saw
late.
it.
Okay, no more. I can't keep doing that.
Okay.
That's worse than a cookie.
Okay.
Okay.
We can't eat this.
No.
Not yet.
No, not yet. Maybe after. Maybe tomorrow, because dinner's going to be late. We put more M&Ms on it, or are we all done with that one? Hey! You're eating the decorations.
Well, I still am.
I see that. Is that good?
Yep.
Well, if you eat all the decorations, what are you going to decorate the cookies with? Huh? What are we going to decorate the cookie with?
Oh dear. Oh no!
Oh, no, Mr. Bill.
Have again here.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
You're too funny.
Give Mommy a big old nice kiss.
And this is what the sugar crash looks like. Too many cookies. Can't hold eyes open.
Weather's a little different up here. A little bit cooler.